Hello guys, it's Chris at DeFi Hustler. We are back once again with another episode of Cryptex. I've been in it for a long time, guys, but I'm just basically, these are my 4 videos that I have currently. And yeah, this is what it's all about. So it's a really good platform, guys. I've been in it for a long time. I think I've been in it for taking out my contracts. Let me see, guys. Let me see. But today we're going to talk about something which has just opened up, and it's a staking plan for 2 years now. So they reopened the new DeFi 24 staking for 2 years. So you got, I started, as you can see here, last year, and I was up yesterday. Last profit was $567. I'm up over $82,000 currently. My end date is the 27th of October 2027, on a 3-year project, on 3 years actually, on a 3-year project. So on the 3-year staking plan, sorry, started on the 8th of October of 2024. You can go through all these videos, watch them, guys. I do recommend watching every single video. And especially this one. This is a really, really good one. We'll understand how everything works. We've had a nice organic 925 views. But today, guys, what you'll be able to do, if you do want to deposit, you come to here, you deposit, click on deposit, and then you can either do Bitcoin Cash, I think, or Bitcoin, because it's only a Bitcoin staking platform where you basically loan money from the bank, and then you pay an administration fee. And I'm going to explain that a little bit more in a minute. But yeah, you can use Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. Come to deposit, whatever you want to do, and then that's it. Make sure you've got the fee. So make sure additional 3%. Each contract is $100, and you can apply for these hybrid DeFi hybrid contracts, and these basically on the blockchain, as they say. Now, the website itself is it's a manual website. It's like anything. So it's not a decentralized Web3 website. It's a centralized website, just to make that clarification. And there's somebody to managing this website because they've updated it. So if it was a decentralized, you couldn't update it. It's already beyond the blockchain. Or whatever. You can't. You've got to manually do it. So it's decentralized. Okay. So this is what you would do then. If you've got, say, $100, you start staking. That's it. Or if you've got $1,000, you start staking here, and you can get up to 20. You can get up as many. I think you can get up to like 50 or no 80 contracts. So it's up to you how many contracts you want. But if you get this one today at 1,000, guys, and it's for 2 years, so 2 years from today, will be the 17th, so say 16th of July 2027. You could do $1,000 and you get 15 contracts, so you get an additional 5 contracts. So imagine you went, I tell you what I want to do. I want to go more than that. I want to put, say, eight, I don't know, 80 contracts. So what's that? 80 divided by 15, so 80 divided by 15. Okay, so you can't do that. You could do like, say, 15 contracts, so 15, 30. Yeah, so about $4,000, you could get 60 contracts. $5,000, you can get 75 contracts. So you can say, imagine you put $5,000 in, 75 contracts, and you will be making some serious money in 2 years' time, just to say the least. So far, guys, it's been doing everything fantastically. Withdrawals have been working fantastically. You can withdraw basically only your referral money currently to the end of contract. When the end of contract is, then you'll be able to withdraw your profits. And you can see here my withdrawals. I'll show you. These are off of my referrals, basically. But I'm just going to show you right now. Just give it a second, please be patient. You can see I've been withdrawing since 26th of October of last year. I just made a recent one on the 11th. Still not received it yet, but it does sometimes take a few days. They always say for up to 48 hours. So I'm just going to make sure that they check. I'm going to put payment inquiry because it's past 48 hours now predominantly. Well, I did it on the 11th. So what's that? 11th is Friday. So yeah, I mean, up to 48 to 72 hours. So normally I just wait. I'm going to wait another day. Very simple. And if I need anything, I can just go click support and yeah. But if we go to frequently asked questions, let me double check on that for the withdrawals. I don't know how many days or normally they're pretty quick. Sometimes like the one on the 8th, I got it the same day, and then other times I've had it for like 3 or 4 days. So you can tell obviously it's a centralized platform because somebody at the end is doing the withdrawals. Um, because if it was decentralized, then it would be instant. So it's a centralized. So they're obviously managing it through somebody from the back end. Um, the website, I mean, guys, the website. But yeah, I mean, let's go have a look at the frequently asked questions. So if you come to, this is all the information you need to understand, guys. Okay, what makes crypto unique? Unique. Okay, crypto provides a fixed investment deposit per contract. No private assets required. That's not from you guys. Don't forget, you can do 100 contracts. You know, you can no KYC, which is good. Each contract helps our planet. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's got a massive referral program. It's crypto bank. It's not a bank, guys. Just to make sure. Crypto is an independent free group of thriving network experts, influencers, and pioneers. So basically, what they do is they open the doors to many opportunities, not a bank. Powerful insight, unique finance instruments, extensive connections, and carefully crafted events inspire, empower, and challenge those we work with. So basically, this is really interesting. Read all this, guys. Okay, are the daily there's no daily guaranteed returns. This is what I'm saying. No trader in the world can guarantee you anything. Guarantees you anything, guys. It's a scam. It's a scam, 100%. Anything guarantees you 1%, 2%, 5%, 20%, whatever a day. It's a scam. Okay. Uh, let's have a look. Okay, let me see what I'm looking for. Interest, the payment interest alone. Yeah, as I said, guys. Fees for deposit, monthly cost. That's what it all costs, guys. Which they do. How can you contract 48 hours? How long does it take the contract to become fair? Okay, within 48 hours. Not include weekend. If you may take longer to weekend, okay. Profits are two. Let me see. Let's see, guys. I'm just looking. Sorry, guys. Please bear with me. Okay, it doesn't really say, but it normally takes a few days. It doesn't really. It's not really much of an issue, guys. But it just takes a few days. Very very simple. Um, Make sure you go and have a look. Do all your information here, guys. It's very very simple. You buy your contract, apply, deposit, and then apply for the contract, and then you're in. You can do up to 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. So entirely up to you guys what you want to do. But yeah, I hope you found this enlightening. Please, again, watch all the videos. All the videos there will be very worth watching and a good insight of what's going on. So yeah, please check them out. All right. Thank you, guys. Bye for now. And I will see you on the next video.